Hey everyone! Welcome back to our Kitchen Faucet channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in home improvement products. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the top 3 kitchen faucets on the market. I've been testing out a bunch of different faucets lately, and I've narrowed it down to my 3 favorites. I'll be going over the key features and the pros, cons of each one, so you can decide which one is right for you. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for the latest updates on all things kitchen. First up, we have the EZ-FLO Kitchen Faucet. This faucet is all about afford and functionality. It has a single handle design that makes it easy to control the water temperature and pressure. It also has a pull-down spray head that's perfect for rinsing dishes or cleaning the sink. Plus, it comes in a variety of finishes to match your kitchen style. EZ-FLO's two-handle kitchen faucet with matching side spray in chrome is made of the best combination of quality and value and will leave a lasting impression. Featuring ceramic disc technology and hard lacquer finishes that will last a lifetime. This faucet uses neopearl aerators and is certified to meet the low lead laws. Add a classic, contemporary touch to your home kitchen decor with the EZ-FLO two-handle kitchen sink faucet. The high arc spout allows for more workspace while adding a captivating visual interest to its outline. Provides a 180-degree spout swivel for easy transition between sinks, and features two handles for hot and cold water temperature. The matching pull-out side sprayer comes with a 48-inch extended hose with a retractable mechanism which allows for effortless maneuvering in your kitchen sink space. This two-handle sink faucet is composed of lead-free materials for safe water drinking and features convenient for-hole installation. Here are some general features that many EZ-FLO kitchen faucets have. Kitchen faucet with pull-out sprayer. High arc spout allows for more workspace while adding a captivating visual interest to its outline, and the two handles set the water temperature. Features a matching pull-out side sprayer. Efficient. Kitchen faucets deliver 1.8 gallons per minute and are equipped with best-in-industry ceramic disc cartridge for a lifetime of drip-free use. Easy to use. Double-handle sink faucet provides a 180-degree spout swivel for easy transition between sinks. The sprayer comes with a 48-inch extended hose with a retractable mechanism which allows for effortless maneuvering in your kitchen sink space. Easy installation. Two-handle faucet features convenient for-hole installation. Consists of 3 holes, with deck mount and an additional hole for side sprayer installation. Lead-free. Sleek modern kitchen faucet complies with lead-free guidelines for safe water drinking. Here are some pros and cons about EZ-FLO kitchen faucet. Pros. Affordable. Easy to use. Pull-down spray head. Variety of finishes. Cons. Not the most durable. Plastic construction. Can be a bit loud. Overall, the EZ-FLO kitchen sink faucet with two handles and pull-out side sprayer is a good option for budget-minded shoppers who are looking for a classic, functional faucet. It's easy to install and use, and it comes in a variety of finishes to match your kitchen decor. Next, we have the Moen Chateau Chrome one-handle low-arc kitchen sink faucet. This faucet is a bit more high-end than the EZ-FLO, but it's also more durable. It has a solid brass construction and a lifetime warranty. The low arc design is perfect for small kitchens, and the single handle design makes it easy to control the water. The Moen Chateau Chrome one-handle low-arc kitchen sink faucet with side sprayer is a popular choice for its sleek design and functionality. It features a low-arc spout that provides ample clearance for filling pots and pans and a single-handle lever that makes it easy to control the water temperature and flow. The faucet also comes with a side sprayer that is perfect for rinsing dishes or cleaning the sink. Here are some of the key features of the Moen Chateau Chrome one-handle low-arc kitchen sink faucet with side sprayer. Chrome finish is highly reflective for a mirror-like look that works with any decorating style. One-handle lever makes it easy to adjust the water temperature and flow. Low-arc spout provides ample clearance for filling pots and pans. Side sprayer is perfect for rinsing dishes or cleaning the sink. Duralock Quick Connect system for easy installation. Lifetime limited warranty. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Moen Chateau Chrome one-handle low-arc kitchen sink faucet with side sprayer. Pros: durable, solid brass construction, lifetime warranty, low-arc design. Cons: more expensive than the EZ-FLO, not as many finish options. Overall, the Moen Chateau Chrome one-handle low-arc kitchen sink faucet with side sprayer is a great choice for those looking for a stylish and functional faucet. It is easy to install and use, and it comes with a lifetime limited warranty. Last but not least, we have the Aqua Vista 22K81WS CHAV kitchen sink faucet with side spray. This faucet is all about style and functionality. It has a sleek, modern design that will look great in any kitchen. It also has a pull-down spray head with a variety of spray patterns and a side spray that's perfect for rinsing fruits and vegetables. The faucet has a high-arc spout that provides ample clearance for filling pots and pans, and the single handle lever makes it easy to control the water flow and temperature. The side spray has a trigger handle that makes it easy to switch between spray and stream modes. Here are the key features of the Aqua Vista 22K81WS CHAV kitchen sink faucet. Single handle control. The faucet has a single handle lever that makes it easy to adjust both water flow and temperature with one hand. This is a convenient feature for busy kitchens. Pull-down spray head. The faucet features a pull-down spray head that provides a powerful spray for rinsing dishes and cleaning the sink. This spray head also has a toggle button that allows you to switch between spray and stream modes. Polished chrome finish. The faucet has a polished chrome finish that is resistant to scratches and corrosion. This finish is also easy to clean and maintain. 1.8 GPM flow rate. The faucet has a 1.8 GPM flow rate, which helps to conserve water. Washerless cartridge system. The faucet has a washerless cartridge system that prevents leaks and drips. Easy installation. The faucet is easy to install, even for dyers. The Aqua Vista 22K81WS CHAV kitchen sink faucet is a stylish and functional faucet that is a good value for the price. It is available in a variety of finishes to match your kitchen decor. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Aqua Vista 22K81WS CHAV kitchen sink faucet. Pros: stylish, modern design, pull-down spray head with multiple spray patterns, side spray. Cons: most expensive of the three faucets, not as durable as the Moen Chateau. Overall, the Aqua Vista 22K81WS CHAV kitchen sink faucet is a stylish and functional option for your kitchen. It is made from durable materials and is backed by a lifetime warranty. However, some users have reported that the plastic parts of the faucet feel cheap and that the spray head can be difficult to adjust. The price may also be a bit high for some buyers. So, there you have it. My top 3 kitchen faucets. I hope this video has helped you narrow down your choices. Remember, the best faucet for you will depend on your needs and budget. But no matter which one you choose, make sure it's from a reputable brand and has a good warranty. If you're ready to transform your kitchen experience, check out the link in the description to get your hands on the today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and we'll see you in the next one. Happy cooking!